Good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to learn algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equation. Students, in previous video we have learnt about graphical method to find a x and y value. Now in next coming exercise you are going to learn about algebraic methods, that are substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, equation reducible method. In introduction part of lesson I have told a pair of linear equation is solved by algebraic method and graphical method. In last two exercises we learnt about graphical method. Now you are going to learn about algebraic method. In algebraic method there are four methods. They are substitution method, elimination method, cross multiplication method, equation reducible method. Today shall we discuss about substitution and elimination method. Let us understand this method by taking pair of linear equations. The example, substitution method means here x value is substituted in y place or y value is substituted in x place. This is the steps we are going to do. Means first equation, consider equation first, equation second. I want now x value from equation first. I am sending y to the RHS part. It gets what here? Negative plus y. When sent to the RHS part it gets negative. So 14 minus y. See students, x means what? Where x equals to what? I am going to write here 14 minus y. 14 minus y. Now take it as third equation. Substitute this equation, means x value substitute in second equation, that is where x equals to what here? 14 minus y. First I will take down the equation x minus y equals to 4. I will substitute x value as 14 minus y. 14 minus y minus as it is y equals to 4. Dear students, we can take any other equations. Means if I take x equals to 4 minus y, this is also correct, and substitute this value in equation first. You can do any method. Next here 14 minus into minus plus y 2y and minus 2y equals to 4. Next 14 minus 2y equals to 4 minus 14, that is minus 10. Minus 2y in LHS part, minus 10 in RHS part. Minus minus cancel. Now I need y value. Y equals to what here? 10. 2 goes to the RHS part and it gets what here? Division. 2 ones are 2 5s are. Y equals to 5. Y equals to what here? 5. Next substitute y equals to 5 in substitute y equals to 5 in equation third, that is x minus x equals to what here? 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5 is 9. So x value is 9. Y equals to 5, x equals to 9. This is the method to do substitution. Start exercise problem. First question I have solved, and next question, solve the linear equation by substitution method. That is x minus t equals to 3, x by 3 plus t by 2 equals to 6. See, from equation first and equation second. From equation first, s minus t equals to 3. I want now s value, so I am sending t to the RHS part. It gets s equals to 3 plus t. 3 plus t. Take it as equation third. Okay. Substitute s equals to 3 plus t in equation second. In equation second, s equals to, whereas we have to replace that as 3 plus t. Substitute as 3 plus t. See here, in equation for second, yes, in the place of s I am substituting here 3 plus t divided by 3 plus t by 2 equals to 6. Students, here denominator are different, so we have to take here LCM. 3, 2. What is LCM of 3, 2? It is a 6. 3 1s are 3. 2 3s are 6. LCM is 6. 6 and here also 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 1s are 2 3s are. So 2 into 3 plus t. 2 into 3 plus t plus 3t plus 3t divided by what here? Whole divided by 6 equals to 6. Next, 2 3s are 6. Plus into plus plus. 2 into 2 it is 2t. Next, plus 3t divided by 6 equals to 6. 6 plus 2t plus 3t, 5t. 6 into, when 6 goes to the RHS part, it gets what here? Multiplication. That is 6 into 6, 36. 6 plus 5t. Okay. Next, I am sending 6 to the RHS part. It gets what? Minus. Here positive. When it goes to the RHS part, minus. 36 minus 6. It will be 30. 5t equals to 30. Now I want only t. So keeping t in LHS part, sending 5 to the RHS part. It gets what here? Divide. 30 divided by 5. 5 1s are 5 6 are. T is equals to what here? 6. T equals to 6. Now substituting t equals to 6 in equation third. X equals to 3 plus t. Substitute t equals to 6 in equation third. S equals to 3 plus 6. Okay, 3 plus 6 is 9. S equals to 9 and t equals to 6. In the equation, which are the variables? S and t are the two variables. T got 3 here, 6 and x got 9. These are the solution of the pair of linear equations. Dear students, to check we got correct answers, substitute this swelling in any one of the equation. See, verify. S minus t equals to 3. Means verify means LHS equals to RHS we have to get. Yes, what we got? 9 minus t. T what we got? 6. 9 minus 6 is 3. LHS also 3 we have and our RHS also 3 we have. So the solution of equations are right. Verification part it is. Verification. Verification is LHS equals to RHS. We got LHS equals to RHS. And the solution of equation t equals to 6 and x equals to 9 is correct. Next question. Go with fourth. 0.2x plus 0.3y equals to 1.3 and 0.4x plus 0.5y equals to 2.3. See students, all is in decimal. Okay, convert in fraction. It will become easy to you. You will get whole number. See, 0.2 written as 2.10 x plus 3 by 10 y. 13.10. Next here 0.4 written as 4x divided by 10. 5 plus 5 by 10 y and 23 by 10. Next See here, denominator 10 cancelled each other in LHS part and RHS part. Means 2x plus 3y whole divided by 10. Denominator are same here. In RHS part also 13 by 10. Here 10 cancel. Left with what here? 2x plus 3y equals to 13. Take it as equation first. And here the same thing. 4x plus 10 whole divided plus 5y equals to 23 by 10. 10 cancel. Left with 4x plus 5y equals to 23. Take it as equation second. These are the equation first and second. Now I will find out the x value from the equation first. 2x equals to, I need x value, so I am sending 3y to the RHS side. 2x, it gets what here? Negative. 13 minus 3y. 13 minus 3y. I need only x variable, so 2 is sent to the RHS part. It gets what here? Divided. X equals to what here? 13 minus 3y divided by 2. So substitute x value in equation second. From equation first we got x value, and this value substitute in equation second. Substitute. Take it as equation 3. Substitute x value in equation 2. X equal 4 into 13 minus 3y 40. Where x in the place of x I am writing 13 minus 3y divided by 2 plus 5y equals to 23. First multiple here. This 4 is considered to this whole term. 13 4s are 52. Plus into plus, plus into minus, minus. 13 4s are 4 3s are 12. 12y minus 12y divided by 2 plus 5y equals to 2 3. Students, don't calculate this 12y and 5y. Why? Because this 2 is considered this whole term. So first take a LCM. If there is no value means we have to consider it as a 1. Now what is the LCM here? 2. 2 and 1 LCM is 2. LCM is 2. So take here 1, 2 and take here 2. 52 1s are 52 minus 12y plus 5 2s are 10y whole divided by 2 equals to 23. 52 minus 12y plus 10y, it is minus 2y equals to 2. I am sending to the RHS part. It gets what here? Into 52 minus 2y equals to 46. Minus 2y, I am sending 52 to the RHS part. 46 minus 52, it is minus 6. Why? Because greater number is 52. It took minus sign, so it is minus 6 to y. I need y value, so I am keeping y here. I am sending minus to the RHS part. It gets what here? Divided. Minus 6 divided by minus 2. Minus minus cancel. 2 1s are 2 3s are. Y is equals to what here? 3. Y is equals to 3. In the place of y, we have to substitute. In the place of y, we have to substitute 3. In equation third, substituting y equals to 3 in equation third. What is equation third? X equals to 13 minus 3y divided by 2. So 13 minus 3 into 3 divided by 2. 13 minus 3 3s are 9 divided by 2. 13 minus 9, it is 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. X equals to what here? 2. hence this is the solution of equation. We got s equals to 2 and y equals to 3. Therefore we have to write, therefore x equals to 2, y equals to 3 are the solution of pair of given linear equation. This is about fourth problem. Next question, root x plus root 3y equals to 0, root 3x minus root 8y equals to 0. Take it as equation first and equation 2. Now from the equation first I find the value of x. Root 2 x plus root 3 y equals to 0. Root 2 x, I am sending root 3 to the RHS part, it gets minus root 3 y, and in LHS part keeping x and sending root 2 to the RHS part, minus root 3 divided by root 2 equal into 1. So x value we got minus root 3 divided by root 2 into 1. So take it as equation 3. Substitute x value in equation second. Root 3, substituting x value in equation 2. So root 3 in the place of x I am going to write minus root 3 divided by root 2 into 1. Next minus root 8y equals to 0. Root 3 into root 3, what we get? Root 3 into root 3 whole square, and minus root 2 minus root 8y equals to 0. In this root and this cancel, root and square will be cancelled, left with 3 by root 2 minus root 8y equals to 0. Minus, next take a LCM, denominator are changed now, root 2 and 1, denominator LCM of root 2 and 1 it is, that is root 2, LCM of root 2 and 1 it is root 2, so here 1 and here root 2, minus 3 minus root 8 into root 2 whole divided by root 2 equals to 0. Minus 3 y, sorry, y, here also y. Next minus 3y minus root 8 into root 2. By the formula root a root b equals to what here? Root ab. In 9th standard you have learned root a into root b equals to what here? Root ab. So root 8 into root 2 it is root 8 into 2 it is 16 divided by whole root 2 equals to 0. 3y minus root 16 is what here? 4. Square root of 16 is minus 4y divided by root 2. Minus 3y minus 4y. What is answer? Minus 7 by root 2 equals to 0. When root 2 is sent to the RHS part, it gets what here? Minus root 0 into root 2 it is 0. So 7y equals to 0. Minus 7y equals to 0. Then y equals to what here? When we send minus y to the RHS part, minus y equals to 0. Y equals to 0 by minus 7. 0 by anything is 0. Y equals to 0. From the equation 2 we got y equals to 2. Next, substitute equation value of y equals to 0 in equation third. Substitute y equals to 0 in equation third. That is x equals to minus root 3 minus 2 into y where y equals to what we got? 0. Is it? 0 into anything is 0. X equals to 0 and y equals to 0. And therefore x equals to 0 and y equals to 0 are the solution of given pair of linear equation. This is the solution of fifth. And take left problems, take it as a homework. Let's start with second question. Next problem, solve 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. Hence find the value of m for which y equals to mx plus 3. Students, now we have to find the m from this equation. Students, here they not give, 3 are unknown numbers, unknown variables. We don't know value of x, y and m. So by the help of these two pair of linear equation, we have to find out x and y value by substitution method. Then after getting x and y value, substitute the values in this equation, we get m value. This is a method to do this problem. The given equations are 2x plus 3y equals to 11 and 2x minus 4y equals to minus 24. So take it as equation first and equation 2. 2x, from equation first I am finding the value of x. 2x plus 3y equals to 11. 2x, 3y is assigned to the RHS part, it gets minus 3y, and 2 is assigned to the RHS part, it gets what here? Divide, and this is a value for x. Next, substitute x value in equation 2, that is 2, 11 minus 3y divided by 2, minus 4y equals to minus 24. Substitute value of x in equation 2. So 2 into 11 it is 22, 2 plus into minus, minus 2 3s are 6y divided by 2, minus 4y equals to minus 24. Next, take now LCM. Don't direct do minus 6y and 4y because this 2 is includes 22 minus 6y. So take now LCM. 2 and 1 LCM it is 2, here 1 and multiplying here 2. 1 22 is 22 minus 6y minus 2 4s are 8y whole divided by 2 equals to minus 24. Next, 22 minus 6y minus 8y, that is minus 14y divided by 2 equals to minus 24. 2 is sending to the RHS part, it gets what here? Multiplication. 22 minus 14y equals to minus 24 into 2. 22 minus 14y, 24 2s are 48. Minus 48. Next, minus 40y equals to minus 48 minus, when 22 is sent to the RHS part, minus 22 it gets. That is minus 48 minus 22, that is 10, and here 70. Minus 70. Minus 14y and minus 70. Here minus minus cancel, left it what here? 14y equals to 70. Y equals to 17 divided by 14. 14 ones are 14 5s are. Y is equals to what here? 5. And substituting y equals to 5 in equation third. What is the equation third? X equals to 11 minus 3 and y equals to what we got? 5. In the place of y, substitute 5. X equals to 11 minus 3 into 5 divided by 2. X equals to 11 minus 3 5s are 15 divided by 2. 11 minus 15 it is minus 4. Why minus? Because greater number 15 which sign contain minus. Minus 4 divided by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are. X equals minus, it is there, so minus 2. X equals to minus 2. There, and substitute value of x and y in y equals to mx plus 3. Y we got 5, x we got minus 2. 5 m into minus 2 plus 3. Now m 2 into m, it is minus 2m plus 3 equals to 5. I am sending plus 3 to the LHS part. It gets what here? Minus 5 minus 3 is what here? 2, and minus 2m. I am taking minus 2 to the LHS part. It gets what here? Divide. Minus 2 equals to m. 2 cancel, left with what here? M equals to minus 1 is the solution for second one. Next question. From the pair of linear equation for the following problems and find their solution by the substitution method. The first question it is, the difference between two numbers is 26. The difference between two numbers is 26, and what of the number is 3 times the other. Find them. Students, they have told the difference between two numbers. We don't know which are the two numbers, but their difference is what here? 26. Let us take the first number be x and second number be y, and their difference is what here? Their difference is 26 equals to what here? When we subtract this sum with the two numbers, we get what here? 26. And another condition they have given, one number is 3 times of the other. One number means I have considered this is one number and this is second number, another number. So one number is 3 times of the other. One number is, when it is equals to the another number, it is equals to the, when it is 3 times of the other number. One number is equals, is means what here? We have to think equal, equals to the 3 times of other number. And these are the required equation to find the solution of the x and y values. Okay. Let the first number be x and second number be the y. Given that x minus y equals to, the difference of two numbers is that 26. X minus y equals to 26, and one number is equals to what? The 3 times of other number. Take it as equation first and equation second. X minus y equals to 26. From this equation I will find a value of x. I am sending minus y to the RHS part. 26 plus y. The value of x equals to what here? 26 plus y. I am substituting value of x in second equation. Substituting value of x in equation second. X equals to 3y. Okay. Next, x equals to what here? 2x plus y equals to 3y. In the place of x, I am writing 2x plus y equals to 3y. Next, 2x plus y minus 3y. I am taking 3y to the LHS part. Equals to what here now? 0. There is no terms, so I am writing here 0 in RHS part. 26 plus y minus 3y, that is minus 2y equals to 0. Next, I am sending 26 minus 2 in RHS part, that is 2y, and y equals to 26. When 2 goes to the LHS part, it gets what here? Division. 2 1s are 2 13s are. Y equals to what here? 13. Y equals to 13. And substituting y equals to 13 in equation third. in equation third. Substituting y equals to 13 in equation third. We have equation third, x equals to 26 plus y, and 26 plus 13, it is 39. X equals to 39. These are the two numbers. Which are the two numbers? X equals to 39, y equals to 13. Numbers are 39 and 13. Next question. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. Dear students, they are telling supplementary angles means the sum of two angles is equals to 180 degree. From this we get one equation. Is it? That is sum of two angles. That is, we don't know what is the value of angle. So I take x plus y equals to 180 degree. And next, the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds by the smaller by 18 degrees Celsius. 18 degrees. Here larger means I will take as a x. When x is equals to y, when x I conclude as a larger number, assume x is the larger angle than y. So what they are telling, the larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. When x is equals to y, when x is equals to y means when x is exceeds by more than 18, then smaller angle becomes to equals to larger angle. When smaller angle equals to larger angle, when it is exceed by a 18 degree, then we can say x equals to y, and this is the second equation. The first equation, the two supplementary angles means we should come to know x plus y. X plus y means two supplementary angle. X plus, these are two angles equals to what here? 180 degrees. Consider this as the first equation. And the larger of two supplementary angles exceeds means more than the smaller by 18 degree. Find them. Find x and y values. So the question is, let the larger angle be x and smaller angle be y. Larger angle exceeds smaller angle by 18, that is x minus y equals to 18, and also both angles are supplementary. According to question, they told both angles are supplementary to each other. So sum of both angles is equals to 180 degree. It is a definition of supplementary. So x plus y equals to 180 degree. And consider this both equation and find out the value of x and y. By equation first, I will take the value of x. I am sending minus y to the RHS part. 18 plus y. 18 plus y. This is the value of x. Take it as equation 3. Substitute value of x from equation 3rd to the equation 2. Substitute value of x in equation 2. So 18 plus y equals to 180. In the place of x, I have written 18 plus y. 18 plus y it is 2y, that is equals to 180. 2y equals to 180 minus 18. Next, 2y minus 180 minus 18 is 162. Y is equals to 162 divided by 2. That is 2 ones are 280. 8 ones, y is equals to 81, and substitute y value in equation third. Substitute y equals to 81 in equation third. That is x equals to what here? X in third equation, x equals to 18 plus y. X equals to 18 plus 81. What is answer? That is 99. X equals to 99. These are the two angles value. Thus larger angle is 99 and smaller angle is 81. For verification, substitute this value in equation first or equation second. That is equals to what here? 180 degree. So in equation first I will substitute x plus y equals to 180. That is 81 plus 99 equals to 81 plus 99 equals to 180 degree. Here LHS, RHS part and LHS part is equals to each other. So the values of larger angle and smaller angle are right. Let the cost of one bat be rupees x. Let the cost of one ball rupees y. Given that 7 into cost of one bat plus 6 into cost of one ball equals to 3,800. 7 bat and 6 balls equals to what here? Rupees 3,800. If we get to bat one bat, we come to know the rupees of 7 bats. Okay. Next also they have given 3 into cost of 3 bats and plus 5 balls equals to what here? 1,750. These are the two required equation. Let's take 7x plus 6y equals to 3,800 and 3x plus 5y equals to 1,750. Equation first and equation 2. And 7x, I am from the question by equation first finding the value of x. 7x plus 6y equals to 3,800. 7x equals to 3,800 minus 6y. X equals to 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7. Substituting a value of x in equation 2. 3 into 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7 plus 5y equals to 1,050. And multiply this full term. This 3 belongs to 3,800 minus 6y. So 3 into 3,800 is equals to 11,400 minus 3 6 are 80y divided by 7 plus 5y. Don't do sum here because 7 is denominator for 18y. So take a LCM now. Take LCM, that is 7. 11,400 minus 18y into 7 pi is how much? 35 plus 35y and whole divided by 7 equals to 1,750. And next 11,400 minus 18 plus 35, that is plus 17y divided by 7 equals to 1750 and 11,400 plus 17y. When 7 goes to the RHS parts, it gets multiple into 7. 7 zeros are 0, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry, 7 7s are 49, 49 plus 3 52, 7 1s are 7, 7 plus 5 is 12,250. 11,400 plus 17 y. Sending 11,400 to the RHS part, it gets what here? Minus 11,400. 17y equals to 850. 850. When we minus, we get 850. So y keeping here and sending to the RHS part 17. That's 17. 850 divided by 17. 17 ones are 17 50s. Y is equals to 50. This is the answer, and substitute y value in equation third. Substituting y value, y equals to 50 in equation third. X equals to 3,800 minus 6y divided by 7. 3,800 minus 6 into 50 divided by 7. 3,800 minus 5 6 30, 0 divided by 7. 3,800 minus 300 is 3,500 divided by 7. 7 ones are 7, 500. 500. X equals to 500. Therefore, cost of one bat is 500 and cost of one ball is 50. This is the cost of ball and bat. Next, this is a solution for third. Next question. The taxi charges in a city consist of a fixed charge together with the charge for distance covered. For a distance of 10 km, the charge paid rupees 105. For a journey of a 15 km, the charge is 155. What are the fixed charges and charges per kilometer? How much does a person have to pay for traveling a distance of 25 km? Students, the question is about, here, if you think it started from home to school, and you think it is a 3 km, okay? Home to school. Fixed charge means home to school, it is fixed charge 20 rupees. Home to school, taxi takes fixed charge. It is compulsory, we have to pay to reach home to school, that is 20 rupees. And along this, taking that per kilometer to reach school, it is 3 km. That is, for 1 kilometer is charging how many rupees here? 10. It's for 10 km fixed charge with 10 km he pays 105 rupees. Here fixed charge is compulsory. Fixed charge plus how many kilometers? 10 kilometers with what rupees? For 10 km is total gets bill gets 105 rupees. Fixed charge is compulsory, we have to give. Where we have to go? We have to give fixed charge. It is fixed charge along this kilometer rate we have to pay, and the total money becomes what for first round? 105 rupees. And next round for 15 km fixed charge is compulsory, we have to pay. Next, how many kilometers is traveled in second time? 15 km. And what is the rupees for 15 kilometers plus fixed charge becomes what here? He took 155 rupees. Now we have to find out the fixed charge and charge paid for per kilometer. Okay, this we have to find. Next he asked again 25 kilometer, what will be the rupees total amount? Total amount means fixed charge with 25 kilometer charge. What will be the amount he asked? Let's solve. Fixed charge be x, charge per kilometer be rupees 5. Given that charge paid for 10 kilometer is rupees 105. Means 105 how we paid? Fixed charge x plus 10y equals to 105 rupees. Next, charge paid. Charge paid for 15 kilometer is rupees 155. That is fixed charge plus 15 kilometer he traveled, and what is the charge paid, and it is total amount equals to what here? 155. And these are the two required equations. X plus 10y equals to 105, and I need x values, so I am sending 10 to the RHS part. It gets minus 105 minus 10y, and this is the third equation, and substitute third equation in second. Substituting equation third in equation in second, that is 105 minus 10y plus 5y equals to 155. 105 minus 10y plus 5y, it is minus 5y equals to 155. Minus 5y equal 155 minus 105. 105 minus 5y equals to 155 minus 105, it is 50. Y is equals to, sorry, it is 15. We have here 15. 15. This is gets plus y is equals to 50 divided by 5. 5 ones are 5 tens are. Y is equals to 10. Substituting y value in equation third. Substitute y equals to 10 in equation third. That is x equals to 105 minus 10 into 10. 105 minus 10 tens are 100. That is 5. X equals to 5. This is the required charges. See now, fixed charge is what here? Fixed charge is 5, and charge taken per kilometer is 10 rupees. Now we need for 25 kilometer. What about 25 kilometer? When we travel 25 kilometer, what is the total amount we have to give? The fixed charge plus 25 kilometer per charge paid per kilometer equals to what is the rupees? They are asking. Fixed charge we got what here? 5 rupees plus for 25 kilometer, what is a charge paid per kilometer? That is 10. 5 plus 25 tens are 250. 250 plus 255 rupees has to pay. The total amount for 25 kilometer 255 has to pay him. Okay, this is a solution for fourth question. A fraction becomes 9 by 11 if 2 is added to both numerator and denominator. If 3 is added to the both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Find the fraction. Students, they are telling here we don't know the what is numerator value and denominator value, and they are telling when numerator is added, 2 is added to the numerator and 2 is also added to the denominator. When we add 2 to the numerator and denominator, it is equals to what here? 9 by 12, 9 by 11. Let numerator be x and denominator be y, and given that numerator is added with the 2 and denominator is added to the 2 is added to the numerator and 2 is added to the denominator. When we add to the numerator and denominator, it is equals to what here? 9 by 11. And n is taken as x here, so x plus 2 and denominator y plus 2 equals to 9 by 11. Cross multiplication, 11 into x plus 2, 9 into y plus 2. 11x plus 11 2s are 22, 9y plus 9 2s are 18. 11x minus 9y and plus 22 minus 18 equals to 0. Minus when it takes in LHS part, and plus 18 taken in LHS part, get minus 18. 11x minus 9y plus 22 minus 18. What is the answer? That is 6. Plus 6 equals to 0. Sorry for. Next, take it as equation first. From the equation first, I need x value, so I am sending to the y and to the constant number to the RHS part. Plus 9 minus 4y, x equals to 9y minus 4y divided by 11. This is the value of x. Next question, they told when numerator is added, 3 is added to the both numerator and denominator, it becomes 5 by 6. Same type, but this time they added to the numerator and denominator 3 and denominator also 3. It is equals to 5 by 6. X plus 3, y plus 3. It is equals to 5 by 6. Cross multiplication again, x 6 into x plus 3, 5 into y plus 3. 6x plus 18. 6x plus 18 equals to 5y plus 15. 6x minus 5y plus 18 minus 15. I am taking RHS part to the LHS part, so it getting negative, equals to 0. 6x minus 5y plus 3. 18 minus 15 it is plus 3 equals to 0. This is the equation second, and take it as equation third this. And substituting x value in equation second. Substituting x value in equation second. Next, it's 9 6 are 54y plus into minus minus 6 4s are 24 divided by 11 minus 5y equals to minus 3. LCM of 11 and 1 it is 11, so into 1 into 11. 54 1 minus 24 minus 5 11 5 are 55 1 equals whole divided by 11 equals to minus 3. 54 minus y, what is answer? Minus y minus 24 divided by 11 equals to minus 33. Minus y minus 24, 11 is sent to the RHS part, it gets what here? 2. Minus y minus 24, that is minus 33. 3 11s are 33. Minus 11 when sent to the RHS part, plus 24. The answer is minus 7, minus 9. Minus minus cancel, y is equals to 9. Y equals to 9. What about x? X equals to substituting y equals to 9 in equation 3rd. 9 into 9 minus 11 divided by 11. It is 4, not 11. 9 9s are 81. 81 minus 4 divided by 11. That is 77 divided by 11. 11 1s are 11 7s are. X is equals to 7. X is equals to 7. Y is equals to 9. Therefore, the numerator value is 7 and denominator value is 9. And this is the required solution for equation problem 5. Therefore, a required fraction is 7 by 9. Last one, take it as a homework. And this is a completion of exercise 3.3. Thank you.